like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Guess what day it is? It's Temu Day. And I just got a notice that one of my boxes was late. And they just gave me $5. And I'm not real sure. But I could almost swear. I just got a notice that it was delivered to the post office. So, hey, I'm good with that. I'm good with that. But anyhow, this is another random haul. This is one for the ages. I got one of these for my sister and Shar for Christmas. So I went ahead and got me one. Now mine's a little bit bigger than what I got them, I believe. It's a 3-headed curling iron. You know, it's got a hot stand, so you can sit, won't burn your shit. On and off switch. Actually, it's got 2 settings, low and high. But this, I got this one for mine, but my hair's not quite long enough yet. It will be. The way it's growing, it will be. I'm going to go ahead and recolor it. Hopefully tonight. I thought, well, I better record before I recolor it. See, I'm starting to get more gray than. So when you pull it back, then you really notice it. But it's time. So I got that. Oh, I forgot to tell you what I paid for it. I paid $15.48 before discounts. Because I always get all these discounts. Like, I've got over $20 back in my account on discounts again already. So I always go back and get those. And this I got this for my grandson, and it was $8.98, and it's one of those little 3D sand art things. Now, see if we can get it out. My grandkids are so zen. You see, it's just. And it's similar to the old lava lamps like we used to have. And you can change its direction. Which I will probably go back later and get me one. But I just thought he would enjoy that because he's the one that wanted the Zen garden. Now, I'm not sure. Yeah, there's a little spot on here that you can either put water in or let water out to adjust it. So, I'm sure he's going to like that. I don't know how that went in there. Yep, that was $8.98. Poor kid got in a wreck the other day. He's a little sore right now. Totaled his car. It was the other guy's fault, but still it's no fun to go through. And when you're 16, and his little brother was in the car. They're all fine. I can get us back in the box. Oh well, I'm just going to sit it here. You'll have to deal with it. And then I got this because I've been working on my mom's family tree, and they were $2.96. But I got another one coming that's more of a map for her. But it's a lot. Because her father died when she was 5, so she never knew that side of her family. And she tells me, I just want to know before I die about my family. And so all it basically is, it just says the names. And so I'll have that where I can just write it out for her. It just says basically name, born, died, married, resided, other information. But I got another big old map coming, so I thought, well, I'll get that where I can just jot down what I'm going to need to know to fill out the big one. And then I got these shorts, and I have a feeling I got them too big again, because I don't know what's the matter with me. But I'm not sure. They might be alright. We'll see. What did I pay for them? I forgot. Got 2 enthralled. Paid $11.19. I thought they were cute. But I think I got them in size too big again. So if I did, I'll either donate them or return them or something. Okay, here's the shorts. They might be a little bit big, but they are comfortable. So I might just go ahead and just keep them the way they are. Wear them for my comfortable shorts. You know, some days you're bloated. But they are cute. I do like them. And then I got this. This was $7.64. And he saw mine. And he wanted his own. And he wanted his own. I don't really know what for, but he did. So I was like, okay, whatever. And it goes on. It's a magnet. Goes on the refrigerator, and it comes with dry erase. It comes with an eraser and then dry erase pencils. So that's for my grandson. I think it's so he can keep track of his games and school stuff. And I always had a calendar by the refrigerator for the kids and stuff. I got this, and I don't remember what it is, but I paid $7.19 for it. I think they're leggings, but I'm not sure. Yeah, that's what they are. They're leggings. Cute. 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 That'd be cute to go out and do yard work. Here's the leggings. I don't know. I think I need to lower you down just a tad so you can see the whole look. Yeah, I know I got a pouch here, but yeah, they're very comfortable and they're very soft. Yep, that'll work. Oh, there's quite a bit of little stuff in the bottom of that. I didn't realize. This is, I paid $2.48 for it, and it's a mold. I should have paid better attention. I mean, it'll work for cakes and stuff, cake decorating. But honestly, I wanted to get a bigger one, and I probably just didn't click on the right size. So I'll put it on my cake decorating stuff. But it's just ropes. You can use it for jewelry, you can use it for clay or whatever. But it's just ropes. But I wanted a little bit bigger ropes, because I wanted to make me some hot ropes. Because those, I didn't have much trouble eating them. And most edibles don't do much good for me. So I thought I'd try it. This I paid $2.79 for, and it has a beauty blender in it. Then it has a nice little plush bag. There we go. Then it has a whole set of brushes. They're pretty nice brushes. I mean, they're little cheap brushes. But the girls' birthdays are coming. Addison and Charlie. So I thought, well, I'll throw that in their little... I got them a ColourPop mystery box, a piece. So I thought, well, I'll get them that. Then this I paid $5.98 for it. And it's reinforced type shower steamers, which I've never used. I used to use the bath bombs quite a bit. I did it before everybody else did. When they just had that one brand that first came out with it, and they were like Alka-Seltzer pad. They weren't very big. They were only about like this big. I used to use those all the time. But now my arms are so bad, I'm afraid I can't get out of the bathtub, quite honestly. So when you open it up, it looks like this. And there is lemon, rose, jasmine, mint, tea plant, and God knows. I would say lavender. Yeah, that's lavender. I wonder why I'll have one but that one. Just like a little gift set. And I thought, well, if I like them, it's something I can get and put back for the girls. Because it's here in this box. Yep, it's lavender. It's stuck to the top of the box. Interesting. It smells good. But I've never used those kinds. I've never used this shower steamer one, so. Old people need pampered too. And I got another thing of fingernails, and they were 98 cents. And I got 2 of them put on today. Then the whole thing went flying, and I said, well, you know what? I'm going to get this done. Because that boy had his wreck. He needs something to cheer him up. Then I got this. This is $2.41. And these are tarot cards, I believe. I'm not sure. For my granddaughter. I just give her what she wants. My parents said it was up to me to decide what my religion was, and I feel the same way about my grandchildren. But it's also your responsibility to go out and explore it. But yeah, they're just plain little cards. I don't think they are tarot cards. I think they're just, I think they're just affirmation cards. That's what I think they are, affirmation cards. But there's a bunch of them. Who knows? It said cards, and I've just, I'll just check that out for Caitlin. Who needs to read whether you're going to go to hell or not? Oh, and here is the other child's, $3.99. I got one of these for one of the boys last time, and they were sold out of the old. Oh, I got Ray's last time, and this time it's Dan-Dan's. But it says, don't make me call Paw Paw, because both those boys are Papa's boys. He's good with me. All them babies love him. I think it's because he hasn't grown up himself. I don't know where he gets that. I don't know where that comes from. I tell them kids, hey, it ain't my job to make you behave. It's my job to teach you how to live life to the fullest. They used to yell at me for jumping in mud puddles. Aren't you supposed to be the one teaching us better? Nope. Nope. And then I got this was $1.21. And I got this to put up for my son on the back of his vehicle, because, the OHIO. Then I paid $0.48 for 2 pair of silver hoops. And I've been doing really good about keeping earrings in my ears. But they're just both, they're just plain hoops. Just plain. I can see it in here or not. Let's see. That's all there are, silver hoops. Plain silver hoops. So, but for 48 cents for 2 pair of earrings, you really can't go wrong. You just can't. So, I got that. And then I got these for my son and my grandson to fight over. $1.78. And we all know who's going to win. That baby's going to have these stickers all over that house. Oh, I didn't know. It's been so long since I had kids. Little ones in the house. I forgot all about that. How noisy a toys did you say I should get? Yeah. Nah, I can't open it. So we're just gonna... Really? There, I got it. There, I got it. I lied to you. Goodness. Now, what do you mean those kids got them stickers everywhere? I don't know what you're talking about. What do you mean? Oops, dropped a few. They're just all kinds of Ohio State stickers. Here, just a few. Where's Brutus? I don't know if there's any duplicates in here, but there might be. There's a cool one. Ohio State Bucks. Yep. But there's a lot of them. See, there's a whole bunch of them. They'll be all over that house by the time them kids sneak and do it. I don't know what you mean. Anyhow, that's my haul for today. It's not one of my bigger ones. It's only 15 minutes. That's not very long. But anyway, that's my haul for today. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTubey stuff. I guess I didn't have much to talk about today, and that because I hadn't been feeling good for a while. I'm feeling much better, by the way. Much, much better. If you can't tell, my whole attitude's different because I feel better. So, come on back. Join us. You know what to do. Like, subscribe. Every little bit helps. I'm so proud of that. Can you tell? All right. Bye.